MORELO Grand Empire 120 GSO. MORELO has spent the last decade developing magnificent, comfortable RVs. To fulfill the demands of the modern owner, they started creating a motorhome that prioritized size, comfort, performance, safety, and style. MORELO Grand Empire, according to the business, outshines anything that existed before. The Grand Empire 120 GSO is the most recent variant, produced in 2022. Built on a Mercedes-Benz 39-foot-long truck chassis with a 390 kilowatts engine, a 12.8-liter capacity, and a 12-speed automated gearbox, the vehicle has remarkable maneuverability, driving comfort, safety, and cutting-edge technology. For example, instead of standard wing mirrors, it features the Mercedes-Benz mirror cam technology, which makes maneuvering and changing lanes even safer. It's also an absolute dream in terms of design. Prices for 2024 start from $877,000. EarthRoamer SX Explore. Those looking for a comfortable motorhome that can manage rough terrain might choose the EarthRoamer SX Explore. Starting about $1.1 million, this brand new, expedition-grade vehicle can survive the roughest circumstances while providing the ultimate in luxurious living. The Army-inspired RV has an ultra-durable carbon fiber body, a Chevrolet 6500 4WD chassis, and a 6.6-liter turbo diesel engine, as well as a slew of self-sufficient additions to enable you stay off the main path for longer. Every EarthRoamer is completely customizable, with a variety of floor layouts and materials to select from. The vehicle is both attractive and environmentally efficient, with a rooftop solar system, a lithium battery bank, and heavy-duty fuel and water tanks, allowing you to live completely off-grid while keeping your carbon impact to a minimal. There's also a slide-out outdoor kitchen and an automatic awning to let you enjoy those hot summer days. Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum. The Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum, manufactured by Vario Mobil in Germany, is one of the most customizable motorhomes on the market. This luxurious RV is manufactured to order to your particular requirements and starts at slightly under $1.3 million. However, the numerous features and luxury extras can quickly drive the price much higher. The 1200 model is described as a piece of luxury real estate constructed on a triple-axle Mercedes chassis. It has a genuine stretch of living space, which is further stretched by 3 electro-hydraulic slide-outs and augmented with nightclub-grade acoustics and intelligent lighting. Furthermore, you'll find a XXL back garage, allowing you to transport your supercar wherever you go. Dembell Land Yacht. Dembell, a relatively new brand in the high-end RV market, is making headlines with its cutting-edge line of luxury land yachts. The $1.5 million futuristic vehicle is constructed on a Mercedes-Benz Actros Gigaspace chassis and is little more than 29 feet long and 8.2 feet broad. A sleek aluminum panel on the front conceals the RV's party trick. 2 handy, hydraulic slide-outs that increase the space by a generous 323 square feet. The RV's modern interior is defined by its sleek and luxurious design. Fold-out lit steps lead up to the spectacular living area. Luxury touches continue down to the front cab, which has 4 vehicle seats with separate air conditioning systems and a massaging function. The motorhome's primary hub, with LED panels inserted into the ceiling, is sleek and reminiscent of a spacecraft. The high-end kitchen features an induction cooktop, an oven, a hidden sink, a dishwasher drawer, and a refrigerator freezer. Newmar 2024 King Aire. Newmar, an American RV manufacturer, has been handcrafting high-quality RVs for over 50 years. Their crown jewel is the King Aire, a premium land yacht that provides an unparalleled luxury experience owing to cutting-edge technology and beautiful interior design. The 2024 King Aire, described as their most luxury coach, is an improvement over the previous model. The elegant coach is 45 feet long and is the company's flagship vehicle, providing the greatest accommodations for affluent adventurers. With a starting price of $1.6 million, there are 4 floor plans to select from, and the design is completely customizable, from the outside painting, which is available in 10 distinct styles, to the kitchen cabinetry. Furthermore, it includes some of the most impressive features money can buy. The King Aire features premium, industry-first driver safety technologies, including comfort drive, collision avoidance technology, and adaptive cruise control, as well as gorgeous Italian full-grain leather upholstery. The kitchen has polished quartz worktops, wooden European-style cabinets, and high-end appliances including a Viking stainless steel refrigerator and a Wolf induction stove. Volkner Mobil Performance S. This magnificent motorhome from premium German manufacturer Volkner Mobil impresses with its built-in hydraulic garage compartment. which is ideal for transporting your sports vehicle on the road. Their 39-foot-long Performance S model costs an astonishing $2.2 million and has a cutting-edge engine. The mobile home's inside does not disappoint either. Each model may be tailored to the buyer's specific needs and preferences, with everything from the floor layout to the finishing textiles completely customizable. As a result, this magnificent car is only available to the extremely wealthy. The beautiful master suite is served by a luxurious bathroom that has a full-sized walk-in shower. The RV also has an amazing kitchen with appliances such as a dishwasher, a Japanese burner, and an espresso maker. If the interior of the motorhome isn't spacious enough, you may add a slide-out section, which will increase the living area by 20% when the vehicle is stationary, all at the press of a button. The Heat. Anderson Mobile Estates developed this one-of-a-kind RV just for star Will Smith. Instead of staying in a hotel, the Fresh Prince commissioned this massive motor to provide him with a place to rest after a long day of shooting. The singer spent $2.5 million on 2 luxury stories of mobile lodging, dubbed The Heat. The 1,200-square-foot land yacht, an unusual addition to Will Smith's property portfolio, features 22 wheels and $100,000 in electronics, including 14 televisions and a 30-person state-of-the-art theater. Even more amazingly, the RV roof raises 42 inches, revealing a second level. Each Anderson Mobile Estates product is wholly unique, with the appearance and interior tailored to the needs of each customer. The Heat provides everything from corporate conference rooms to luxury guest suites, with every aspect meticulously studied. There's also a cutting-edge video monitoring system that provides 360-degree security to keep the lucky inhabitants safe and sound. The Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a concept car, yet its stunning design completely redefines the luxury mobile lifestyle. This opulent RV is valued at $2.5 million due to its numerous features. For this hefty fee, the luxury fly-in residence includes a private rooftop helipad, helicopter, and hot tub. Furrion, a pioneer in luxury products for recreational vehicles, understands what it means to live your best life while on the go. The remarkable 45-foot-long truck was designed to showcase the company's vast line of high-end appliances and entertainment systems, and it is furnished with the most recent smart living technologies. Unsurprisingly, the interior of the concept RV is just as amazing as the outside, with to its cutting-edge kitchen, 75-inch TVs, premium surround sound system, dramatic mood lighting, and French doors. A stairway leads up to the roof, as well as the motorhome's retractable helicopter pad. That price suddenly doesn't seem so high, does it? In addition to an intriguing hot tub on the top deck, there is a lovely resting space that is ideal for relaxing after a long trip. Prevost H 1480. Every year, Featherlight Coaches introduces new and rare models that keen motorhome enthusiasts compete for. The Featherlight Vantere Prevost Coach 1148 Zion was one such model, which sold briskly. Now, the Prevost H 1480 is available, and while its design is still being refined, consumers can anticipate the same sleek design elements and sophisticated technology as the Zion. The Zion has exquisite living areas that are elegant and indulgent, including a plush velvet sofa that can be turned into a bed, Samsung 4K TVs, LED auto lighting with integrated light triggers, and a Sonos sound system for the ultimate cinematic experience. The kitchen has Seasursten quartz counters, high-end equipment such as an induction cooktop and dishwasher, and high-quality, solid maple woodwork. Featherlight Coaches hasn't revealed the price of the Prevost H 1480 yet, but its last Saint-Germain model cost $2.6 million. So we're confident that the next car will be priced similarly, if not higher. Buyers can request a quote from Featherlight Coaches. Marathon Coach X345 #1365. Marathon Coach is known for its ingenuity, workmanship, and eccentric designs, and the X345 #1365 model is no exception. The magnificent carriage costs a stunning $2.8 million and dazzles with its dramatic external decor, but that's nothing compared to what lies within. The lavish interior boasts comfortable leather couches, dazzling flooring, and contemporary wood effect cabinets. This sumptuous model, complete with beautiful fittings, brilliant LED lighting, and plenty of smart home equipment, including underfloor heating, is a motorhome fit for royalty. The RV is loaded with luxurious luxuries and comfort-enhancing features, such as a fireplace insert in the salon, 4 air conditioning units, and a 360-degree surveillance system. The kitchen features custom built-in storage, a sub-zero refrigerator, and a rotating dining table that can be expanded to accommodate bigger gourmet events. You may even have a bespoke RV built specifically for you. From the external painting to the fabric stitching details, you may customize the car to your exact specifications.